Make sure the kit is at room temperature before conducting a test. Open the vial and stand it on a flat surface. Take a vaginal swab sample. Then dip the swab into the vial. Rotate it for 10 seconds and discard the swab. Remove the test indicator strip from its foil packaging. Dip the test indicator strip into the vial, ensuring the arrows are pointing downwards. Gently hit the strip on the bottom of the vial to enhance migration and leave to process. After 10 minutes, remove the test strip indicator and read the results. The pink control line needs to be present for the test to be valid. The absence of a control line means that the test is invalid and should be repeated. A positive test will be indicated when a pink line appears in the test area. No test line indicates that the test results are negative. It's important that you read the test before the test time reaches 15 minutes after the strip is dipped in the vial. Results read after 15 minutes are invalid. Finally, dispose of all test components according to your local clinical waste policy.